This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 24 RRT is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 33 feet 4 inches in length and features a Grand Canyon interior, sleeps 4, awning, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, air conditioning, water heater, external shower, skylight, auxiliary battery, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, patio deck, rear dinette, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 24 RRT is 5,853 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.